Ooh, alrighty guys, used car department, what is going on? Hey, whoa. Big monster ram. What is this, a dually or what? Yes. What are we doing to this big monster ram? Alrighty. Brakes. Okay, this is a monstrous truck. I know they didn't resurface. Do we even have the attachment to resurface this rotor? I don't think so, guys. I think when doing brake jobs on these, I think they pretty much get complete rotors. Yeah, look at the extension to actually bolt to the wheel. Okay, some heavy equipment stuff, guys. All right, so you got to be extremely. Now, I just left a course on the diesel after treatment, the emissions update course I took at the training center. Yes, I think I spoke about this in a live stream. The Cummins 19 and up, I want to say, utilize a self EGR cleaning capability. Yes, it's gonna when you turn this truck off, guys, you're gonna hear a little click, 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 click. Gonna hear a click noise. That click noise is basically, number one, first of all, do not panic. Okay, that click noise is normal. That is the sound of the EGR valve in cleaning mode. Cleaning itself, okay? Self-cleaning EGR. Oh man, when that mechanic or when the instructor said that or mentioned that, you should see the head dropped in the school, in the course. Mechanics weren't too happy to hear that because you know, that's part of they, and I'm saying they because I'm referring to the diesel mechanics. They make money cleaning EGR ports and tubes and suet and all that. They make money doing that. So now they got an electrical feature implemented into the car to handle that task. All right, what is this world coming to? They're not gonna need humans anymore. I was in Walmart the other day. They got self-checkout. Now this ain't new. They've been had it. It's just I finally went through one. Guys, I gotta admit, now I'm no thief, but I'm wondering how thieves. That's got to be awful tempting for thieves. You see what I'm saying? You see where I'm going with this? But oh yeah, are we gonna not need human beings for anything anymore? I was once a rideshare guy in the rideshare industry, Uber and Lyft, and they was talking about self-driving cars. Now they might be pushing the envelope a little bit too much on this self thing. So I'm not personally riding around in a car that don't physically have a driver in it. Sorry, just not gonna happen. So, and I can almost guarantee you at least 90% of the population feel the same way. Who traded in this Chevrolet Equinox? Any Equinox owners out there? I don't know. Dark man, 69 Dark man. You look like an Equinox type of guy. I'm joking. But no. Who would actually drive and own, number one, it's a Chevrolet? All right, I'm no fan of the Chevrolet product. In fact, let's see. Can't tell what year it is. 19, likely 2019. How many miles on this? Anybody in the market for Equinox? We have one. You can actually, when they get through with the used car inspection, come get it. Hey, now we're talking, guys. What we got here? Is that a Camaro? Yes, used car. Somebody traded in a Camaro. See, I can tell by no plates on here. That's not a Camaro, is it? Chevrolet. Guys, y'all remember the video I posted the other day? That Camaro had that freaking 4-cylinder in it. Oh, a lot of people was depressed. A lot of people wasn't too happy about that. Oh my goodness. A 4-cylinder Camaro? Now what does this have in it? I don't know. Can I find out? Is the door locked? If this was a 4-cylinder, because look how nice it looked. Okay, the door's unlocked. Let's find out, guys. It's a trade-in, so it don't own anybody. All right, guys. Y'all cross your fingers, please. I know even Tim from Astro Auto Repairs chimed in. You know, it take quite a bit to get Tim to, busy as he is. He even chimed in on that, guys. I want to build up a little suspense. Where's my suspense music? All right, here it is right here. Here we go. Y'all ready? Let's do it. All right, guys, we're approaching Chevrolet Camaro. The big question remains, what size engine is in this Chevrolet Camaro? Okay, this car looked like it could be headed to the racetrack any moment now. So will we be disappointed when we raise the hood and find out what engine is in it? Okay, guys, inquiring minds want to know. Before we pop that hood, let's take a look at the inside. All right, it's not a stick, it is an automatic. However, it looks like an high performance type automatic. Okay, gauging by the design of the steering wheel, could easily be a high performance type car. But the question still remains, guys, how many cylinders on the engine? What size engine in it? Is it a direct injection engine? We are about to find out, guys. Now, gauging by the looks of the rotors, there's been a lot of stopping going on. Okay, in fact, the brakes look worn out and the rotors look grooved. Only a heavy speedster car will produce grooved rotors like that and cause you to need brakes prematurely. All right, only speed would do that. Now, will a 4-cylinder direct injection vehicle or engine in a Chevrolet Camaro? First of all, guys, yes, that does exist. I have proof. Okay, watch this video right here. I will show you my proof of such a vehicle. Now, we're coming up on the suspense, the time. The time is now. All right, we are about to find out what size engine is under the hood of this car. Are you guys ready? Online mechanic tip community. All right, are you guys ready? All right, JT the car guy is about to reveal the secret size of this monstrous Chevrolet Camaro engine, guys. All right, he's reaching for the hood. All right, he's reaching for the hood release level. He's found it. He can feel it. He has now unlatched it. Now, ladies and gentlemen, no more suspense. The time is now, and the size of this engine is, whoa, well, it is not a 4-cylinder. What size engine is it? It's a V6 though, right? Yeah, guys. Hey, you see the one that was over here, the white one? It was a 4-cylinder. Freaking 4-cylinder. Yeah. I showed people that they was. That shit was slow too. It's slow. It's direct injection. All right, guys. I mean, a 6 is better than a 4, I guess. But personally, I'm accustomed to a V8 Chevrolet Camaro. All right, guys. Entertainment foolishness hour is over. I might just start calling this foolishness hour. All right, that's a V6. Better than a 4-cylinder. Guys, that's it. I'm done. That's all I have. Thanks for watching. Come and subscribe. I'll see y'all on the next video.